Téléspectateurs de MCTV, c'est serviteur Jean-Claude Sanon qui est là ensemble avec nous dans la continuation du programme Caméra Mosaïque qui vient nous voir ici à la dans appareil heure. Alors, on a dit nous merci en plus de ce permettre que nous entrons dans la carrière dans moment ça. Non pas M. Jean-Claude Zanon. Et je dis à là, dans un petit bout de temps très court, nous allons parler ensemble avec Eunice Delis, qui lui-même, qui va raconter nos conférences qu'il va prendre à la Cour Boston, du nom de l'organisation qui est les NAHP, qui a en place le 14 et le 15 novembre dans Harvard University. C'est pour la troisième fois que l'activité ça a fait. On va détailler pour nous-mêmes en plus de détails. Sans perdre le temps, on n'a pas le temps de lire en anglais, certainement. Nous allons aller en English. How are you?
Good, how are you?
All right. On va dire bonsoir d'abord.
Ok, bonsoir. Merci pour mon opportunité pour me parler à vous sur la plateforme ça. Donc, je viens vous parler à vous sur l'affaire de conférence. Conférence ça, c'est une conférence sur l'engagement de diaspora haïtienne.
All right, let's move on with the acronym first of all. NAHP, what does that mean?
That is National Association of Haitian Professionals.
This is the third conference, and there has been previous. Where have they been taking place?
At Columbia University in New York, and for last year, and the same the first year as well.
And this time it's Harvard. Why?
Harvard, because at our last conference, one of the students came to us from Harvard University and said, you know, this was a wonderful experience, and I want to bring this back to our campus. Can we bring it to Harvard? And that was requested, and so we did what we could, and we're having it at Harvard.
Beautiful. What is the missions of the NAHP? So,
The mission is to connect students and professionals, both here in the U.S. and Haiti, to give them opportunities to develop professionally. So, donc, ça c'est une organisation qui connecte professionnels qui vont ici, qui
on veut dire qui boit ici, qui tous aux États-Unis?
qui tout les États-Unis,
Okay.
oui, à Haïti. Nous essayons de faire une plateforme, créer une plateforme pour moun ka network. Like,
Okay.
pour moun ka
Alors, il fait des
développer.
échanges.
Oui.
Cela veut dire que vous avez aider l'autre, différents professionnels capables de connecter l'un avec l'autre
Voilà.
et faire avenir marcher. Okay. That happens to be the case. So this is the purpose of the conference. Is this all that you guys have done so far? Just conference only or anything else?
So conference as well as assist students in getting internships, both in Haiti and both over here with departments that they're interested in. So if you look at the website, nahpconference.org, you'll see all the sponsors we have. A lot of those sponsors are very interested in getting connected with students and professionals to continue the good work they're doing in Haiti.
Is the NAHP looking also into helping high school students, trying to be role model into them, trying to mentor them, and trying to really lead them the path? How is that?
So right now we haven't branched out into high school students just yet, because there's still a lot of work to do in terms of really getting connected with the college students and mid-career professionals. Nous sommes une organisation qui petit, mais n'a pas fait un gros bail là.
Jeunes haïtiens qui apprennent dans l'université, en pile là-dedans, qui ont besoin de soutien, qui ont besoin de monde qui est capable d'aider, qui est capable d'aviser. Et des fois, monde qui fait expérience qui sont des jeunes professionnels haïtiens. So those professionals would certainly be able to help them, to lead them the way, because they are entering into this zoo, should I call it, the world of colleges. And for them to really access it and be able to achieve their goals, is this something that you guys have on the back burner?
Yes, we're looking to do more workshops. We're looking to do more boot camps during the year. This is just the beginning for us. In order to be successful, we have to keep on challenging ourselves and keep on growing. So we're looking to grow in number in order to be more successful and to really bring the community together. So in the organization, we have people from all over. I'm here in Massachusetts. We have people in Indiana and people in Texas. So we have people South Carolina, everywhere.
What does it require in order for one to become a member of the NAHP?
It just requires an interest. There is a membership fee for 1 year membership. After you're a member for a year, you're eligible to run for election to become a board member on the NAHP board.
Now, does that mean that you guys only, that board only comes together just with the conference only, or?
No, the board is continually talking. The board comes together at least once a week throughout the year to look at ways that we can better serve the community. Ça, c'est un travail qui pi gros passe nous. Donc, nous connaissons, faut nous toujours être en communication pour nous voir qui gens nous ka fait un bagage pour avancer la communauté haïtienne.
Très bien. Est-ce que nous avons ambition à aider les gens qui sont en Haïti, l'autre monde qui est en Haïti?
Certainement, nous avons ambition pour nous créer une plateforme pour eux jouer accès avec internship, pour jouer accès avec développement, professional development. Nous voulons faire un genre pour nous réunir plus facile.
Time for la guerre, but let's concentrate on the agenda for November 14 and 15. 2 days. What's going on with those 2 days? What can one expect?
So I'm very excited about this conference personally, and I hope that we can get a lot of more folks excited about it. We have a great list of panelists and keynote speakers from a variety of different domains. So we have Patrick Gaspard, who is the UN ambassador to South Africa. He will be speaking with us. We also have Linda Dorsina Fori, Senator Linda Dorsina Fori.
Who just won the last
just won re-election.
Right.
So, and we're so proud that she is going to be a keynote speaker. We have members of Grand USA, who are going to be speaking with us as well. We have about 50 very established professionals in the Haitian community who are going to be sitting down and talking about how do we advance the community? How do we make it so that there is a stronger bond between Haïtien qui l'autre, je peux dire, right? Avec Haïtien qui Haïti. Nous tous mêmes. Nous tous avons la même ambition, mais qui gens nous a fait une plateforme pour nous continuer communication, conversation.
Est-ce que n'importe qui a venir dans la conférence?
Oui, n'importe qui a venir. Ou mettre haïtien, ou mettre pas haïtien, ou noir, ou rouge, ou n'importe couleur, ou mettre venir.
Key exigences, what are the requirements for one to attend this?
No other requirements besides joining in the conversation.
Is there a specific address? Because when you're talking about Harvard University, you can get in there and get lost.
So I don't want to give you just one address because we're going to be moving around on campus.
Okay.
So I want to say go to the website, nahpconference.org. Depending on whether you're coming on the Friday or the Saturday, we'll be in a few different buildings. We're going to be in the Baker Room to start off if you're coming on Friday. But we will be moving throughout the day. So depending on what time you're coming. But go to the website, nahpconference.org.
A time frame in terms of when does the program start on Friday and what time does it end? So just in case people would know how to schedule themselves.
Yes, so it starts at noon on Friday and runs until 5:30 on Friday. And then on Saturday, we start at 8 o'clock and then it runs until 6:30. We will have plenty of time for people to network with the panelists. So if you would like a picture or to talk with Patrick Gaspard, you can come and I'm sure he'd be much obliged to do that.
Okay, so this is coming up soon, November 14th to the 15th at Howard University, the NIH conference. If I were to give you a sales, you have the time right now to really do a strong sales speech to the viewers who are looking at you right now, trying to sell it out. for me right now, this conference. Go ahead.
Okay. This conference is not a conference that I should have to sell. You know, and I know that it's important to have these conversations on a regular basis as to what it is that we're here for. We all have the similar story. Either we came from Haiti to have a better life over here, or our parents did, or great aunt did, or someone in our family came over here to make sure that we, or if not ourselves, came over here to really do something great, to have a better life. And so we're looking to open the floor for these conversations as to how to stay together in this effort. We all have this shared dream. And at this conference, it's a way to network students who are just in the beginning of trying to reach that dream and people who've already reached that dream, and trying to figure out what is the secret to doing that, and how we can make sure to replicate that for other people in the Haitian community.
I do have a reason to sell this for you, because I love to see this place being bombarded. Harvard University, seeing a lot of young Haitian professionals coming down there and be able to network together. So therefore, I'm going to tell them for you, okay? On November 14th to the 15th at Harvard University, you are all invited, certainly, to attend the NAHP conference. It's a must for you to be there, because there's so much for you to gain, because you have the opportunity to network. How was that?
That's awesome. Thank you so much.
Denise Delis, it has been a pleasure certainly having you in our midst. We're looking forward to a great conference. And I'm glad that Boston is beneficial, so I'm assuming that everyone who's listening right now, who's watching, should take advantage in being there on November 14th to the 15th. And if the place is, if you have a full house, you'll say thank you to MCTV.
Okay, I look forward to it. I hope to see everyone at the conference next weekend.
Mesdames et messieurs, c'est un plaisir pour nous de gagner Eunice Delis ensemble avec nous de NHP Conference. Qui rappelez nous que l'événement ça fait la prend place le 14 et le 15 dans Harvard Université.